In TweeterBucks you will get 100% targeted traffic in any niche. This isn't any ordinary run-of-the-mill traffic. You'll be able to get free targeted traffic in any niche of your choice. Just type in any keyword, like weight loss or make money online, so you're reaching targeted people. Pros of TweeterBucks: 0 Twitter following required. Access to 330 million Twitter users at your fingertips. Free traffic in just 5-10 minutes flat, no joke. No hidden fees or extra expenses, period. 100% free email marketing suite included. 0 monthly charges, pay just once. Risk-free, 365-day money-back guarantee. Plus, we'll pay you $100 if you can't get traffic. How the possibilities with TweeterBucks are endless? TweeterBucks provides you free traffic in 5-10 minutes. Build a monster-sized email list. Receive affiliate commissions. Grow a large Twitter following. Sell your own products. Sell the traffic you get. 100% free email marketing suite. Normally, you'd pay hundreds of dollars per month for an email marketing service. In just 1 year, this would cost you thousands of dollars. That's why we put together a 100% free email marketing suite where you can message the emails you get from TweeterBucks and get amazing deliverability without paying any monthly fees or anything at all. Total value of everything you get today, $3,276. For limited time only, grab it now for $497 a month. Today, only one time $19. Warning: do not leave empty-handed. If you leave this page, you'll risk losing out on TweeterBucks altogether. Our servers can only handle so many users. So once we've reached maximum capacity, our doors will be closed. And if you know me, you know I don't play around with that fake scarcity BS. I don't want you to find out the hard way yourself, so it's best for you to take action. So don't delay. It's action time. So what are you waiting for? Take the plunge. Get your copy of TweeterBucks now. Only $19. If you purchase from the link in the description box, I'm going to provide you a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram. Send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will send you the bonus. Thanks for watching.